Leasing my land to solar protects the future of my family, our farm, and helps our communities. My dad had a much more serious project to keep the land together. I came to realize the land kept getting divided every year. I don't want it split up, so we're trying to work toward that plan for the next generation. Solar is really a great asset for people who have an opportunity to do it. This is the only tool I know that will last for 30 or 40 years. Solar farming gives us much more future income for ourselves, our children, and our grandchildren. And it helps our country by having energy here at home. If you can keep your land together for the past 3 generations, they say you've got something going. That's my plan.